John from Coding Goblin here. I want to show you how an estimate calculator can help you grow your gardening business by getting you new clients through your website. So what is an estimate calculator? Well, simply put, it's a fancy contact form for your website that provides your website visitors with an instant estimate. Let's have a little look. So this is what an estimate calculator is. It's got services, select your service. It has questions to go with those services. Select the question, select the answers. Enter your details. Submit that, and you receive an email with an instant estimate in it. Very nice. And you, as the business owner, also receive that email. So why is this good, and how does this get you more customers? Well, the reason this is so good is because it encourages your website visitors to actually submit their details. This is something that's very difficult to actually achieve with a regular contact form. It's quite difficult to get people to put their details in and send a submission off because they want to get a response instantly, and they know, oh, I'm gonna have to do a back and forth with the business to actually get the information that I want. I'm gonna have to talk to someone. It's gonna take time. It's gonna take time, and I don't want to give my details out. Whereas an estimate calculator provides an estimate instantly, so people are way more likely to submit their details. The other good thing is you get their email address and you can follow up on their inquiry. So the chances are they will respond to you, but if they don't, you can reach out to them because you have their details. You have the exact requirements that they need for a potential job. You have their email address, you have their name, you have any information that you require. So you can actually reach out and say, oh, hey, I didn't hear back from you. Is there any more information you need? Or what is the reason that I haven't heard from you? And if it's something like the price isn't right, you can negotiate with them on that, or you can send them an offer. So you can see exactly how powerful this is. If you want to get one for yourself, you can get started completely for free at estimatecalculators.com. Check out the link in the description, and thanks for watching.